Hello my wonderful people out there, you're welcome to Maths with Uncle Tony. In this video, we'll be looking at how to write fraction as a single decimal. Okay, in number 1, we have a whole number. If it's number standing alone is a whole number, while the one that has all over are fraction parts. If you look at all these examples, you discover that there's a part that is standing alone. It's called whole number, while this one are fraction. So how do we write this expanded fraction to a single decimal? Okay, let's look at it. This is just 1, so we pick it. Before we go to fractions, we introduce our decimal points. Okay, this is 3 over 10, 7 over 100. Now if you look at it, if you observe very well, this is a number that starts with 1 0, a number that started with 2 that continue with 2 0. So they didn't skip anything, meaning that 1 0, 2 0, 3 0. Okay, we pick this one, which is 3, then this is 7. This is just our answer as a single decimal. Okay, look at number 2. 80 plus 5 plus 4 over 10 plus 6 over 100 plus 9 over 1000. We have 80, a whole number. We have 5, a whole number. Then these ones are fraction. Now to get our answer, this is 80, a number with 1 0. Now a child needs to understand this. In whole numbers, numbers can start from, let's say 4, a number with 4 0, followed by a number with 3 0. It will be reducing, followed by a number with 2 0, then followed by a number with 1 0, then followed by a number without 0. This is for whole numbers. That's when a child will know whether they skip a number or not. This is for whole numbers. Then it progresses again, it starts increasing. If you reach fraction, it will start with a number that has 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, as the case may be. So looking at this, we have a number with 1 0. So which means after a number with 1 0, a number with 1 0, then followed by a number without 0. So they didn't skip the number. They didn't skip any number. So we pick the first number, which is 8. We pick the second number, which is 5. Okay, let's go to decimal parts or the fraction part of the number. So before we commence, we introduce our decimal points. So this is a number with 1 0, a number with 2 0, a number with 3 0. So they didn't skip anything. So we just pick the number the way they are. This is 4, 6, 9. So this is our answer. Now number 3 is quite interesting. Okay, let's take a look at it properly. This is a number with 3 0. We have a number with 3 zeros, followed by a number with 1 0. Okay, looking at the whole number part, the number is supposed to reduce, that is decrease, starting from any number, but it must decrease with one interval. But we look at it, a number with, for whole number part, a number with 3 0, we're supposed to have a number with 2 0. They skip it, a number with 2 0. After a number with 2 0, we're supposed to have a number with 1 0. Okay, we have a number with 1 0. After a number with 1 0, we're supposed to have a number without 0. Wow, they also skip that one. Okay, it's for a purpose, so that we know how to solve it. Now, let's get the whole number part. We have the first number, a number with 3 0. We pick it. That's where the number starts from. Now, remember they skip a number with 2 zeros. So what happens? What do we do? Since they skip a number with 2 zeros, we fill in with 0. They skip a number with 2 zeros, so we fill in their answer with 0. Let's go quickly look at the next number, which is 50, a number with 1 0. Wow, they didn't skip it, so we write our 5. What about the number without 0? What happens if they skip it? We don't have any single digit number that has no 0. So what happens? We also fill in with 0. So let's go to decimal part now. We have a number with 2 0 and a number with 3 0. Looking at the decimal part, this is the decimal part. It's supposed to start with a number with 1 0. Do we have a number with 1 0? No, they skip a number with 1 0. followed by a number with 20, okay, and a number with 30, as the case may be. So the only number they skip is a number with 10, that is all over 10, so to say. So what happens to it? We write our 0 because they skip the number. Now, followed by a number with 20, okay, we have it, then we now pick these 2. Followed by a number with 30, we didn't skip it, we have it. Now, looking at this, if you observe closely, if they didn't skip any number, you pick the first number, that is 1. They skip a number with 2 zeros, so we don't know the number, so we just fill in with 0. A number with 10, we have it. A 5 and 0 is a number with 10, we write our 5. Then we have a number without 0, we don't have it, they skip it. What happens? We fill it with 0. Before we enter a fraction form, we put our decimal points. So a number with 20, we're supposed to start with a number with 10. Just like this example that we have here, number 2. They started with number with 10, 2 zeros, 3 zeros. So, but they skip that part. What happens to it? After a decimal point, we write 0 because they skip it. A number with 20, we have it. So we pick these 2. And a number with 3 zeros, we have the number of the numerator, we pick it. So this is our answer. I would like my wonderful viewers to try number 4. 700 plus 70 plus 7 plus 7 over 10 plus 7 over 100 plus 7 over 1000. Remember to subscribe and send your answer in our comment section. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye-bye.